Hello, today we'll be demonstrating how our machine learning project works. So basically we created a model which detects whether the image given is a rock, paper or scissor based on machine learning and pattern recognition. So I just show you the code quickly, where my code is. So this is our code. It should be available in the GitHub link down below. So first of all, let me just open a terminal here. Sorry. So first of all, we need to train our model. First, we need to gather images for our model, dataset for our model. So we'll do that using gatherimages.py. So let us run it directly. Gather images using Python, and we'll have to tell what type of dataset we are recording. For example, are we recording rock, paper, or scissors? So let's record rock for the first time, and we'll give it 200. The 200 is for like how many images we want to capture for the given dataset. So suppose I want to capture 200 images, I'll give it 200. So this should record, your rock data type. So once you press A on your keyboard, it will start recording and capture 200 images of the your rock basically. Once you have done this, you have to do this for rock, paper, and scissors, and a fourth data type called none. Basically, you will leave a blank background. Once you're done with that, you'll have all the images captured inside the image data directory. Let me just show you how it looks like. So here is our images. Let me just show you paper, for instance. So I captured this data using my webcam, and basically this is how I trained the model using these images. So once you have done this, you're ready to train your model. So we use the train.py Python module to train a dataset. So we run it using Python 3, and it will train the dataset, train the model based on the dataset. If the dataset was small, it shouldn't take too much time. We use 200 images each for paper, rock, and scissors, so it shouldn't take too much time. Okay, so we can just wait right now. As you can see, the machine learning is done, and we got a pretty good accuracy. Now we can test our model. So first of all, we need to capture some images to test. So since I'm running on Linux, I'll use MPV to capture it. So I just capture a rock, a paper, and a scissors. I'll do it again on a different angle. Rock, paper, and a scissors. Now that's done. We can use our test.py Python program to test our these screenshots for whether they are rock, paper, scissors. So we'll start with test.py and mpv short. And as we see, it created rock, and the first one was rock. We basically recorded in rock, paper, scissors 2 times. Just try the second one too, and it should give us a paper, hopefully. And there we go, we have paper. Let's try the third one, which should be scissors, and let's just check it. And scissors. So basically, the model is correctly predicting the test data set, or basically the images, and this is how our model works. The rest of the programs are not too much useful. We can move the images into a new directory. Let's just say test images. We can use the test.py program to run it on a full directory of images instead of image itself. For example, we just pass it like Python 3 test.py, and we'll give it a directory test images, and this will run it on the whole directory test images and all the images inside that. Then we also have a game.py, which basically makes it a game. So it basically you use your hand to give the input, and the computer gives an output and random output, and depending on that you have a score, whether you win, lose, or get a draw. And it's written to be supported with Raspberry Pi, so I'll not run it here. So it's a very simple program which basically has a computer move which basically returns a random choice. a user move and which takes a photo and predicts depending on what you did, and it calculates results and basically runs it and displays the score on an LCD screen on a Raspberry Pi. I'll not show it how it runs over here. So basically you can do it all yourself. This is how the our model works. This is what we did in the project. Thank you.